Hello there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this video. You're welcome to this channel. It's Trendy Short Hairstyles Lookbook. To all our subscribers, thumbs up to you. Each and every one of you have been so wonderful for not just the growth of this channel, but the support we get from all that you do, your comments, your likes, your shares. Everything you do on this channel goes a long way to helping us grow. We are so very grateful and of course happy to have you with us. Right now, you'll find 100 ways to slay a bob haircut look this 2024. A lot of women go for this particular style when it comes to their short hair styling. Beautiful haircuts ideas right here. Of course, you'll find fringe bob haircuts, lots of amazing choppy style bob hairstyles, bob haircuts with bangs. You'll find short hair ideas. You'll find beautiful and amazing short bob silver gray haircuts. You'll find stylish bob haircuts ideas if that's what you're looking for. Lots of amazing white colored bob haircuts, beautiful soft bob haircuts inspiration, short hairstyles all through for round faces. You also find and see amazingly beautiful angled style bob hairstyles, beautiful short pixel style bob hairstyles and haircuts. It's all round bob hairstyles with fringe and of course without. You also find chin length haircuts ideas right here to give you that wonderful inspiration you're looking for. So make sure you watch the video through the end. Also check up on our previously uploaded videos. We always want the best look for you when it comes to your short hair styling. Look your best, feel confident in yourself anytime you step out of your home. Make sure you have the right style every single week and every other weekend. Also make sure you have an idea for what you need to go for the next time you have your hair appointment at your favorite hair salon. Definitely let us know your thoughts. Do all to share the video, leave us a like, a thumbs up. Do not forget the notification bell, and also as a first timer, do not forget to subscribe. Till tomorrow, take care and bye.